The cosmic quantum consciousness of the infinite quantum universe, an MRI of the human brain. There are approximately 100 billion neurons in a mature human brain. Neurons are composed of dendrites, cell bodies, and axons. Neurons are connected by synapses to about 7,000 other neurons. Their axons release chemical neurotransmitters across the synapses to convey signals to the dendrites of adjacent neurons in communicating information through the nervous system. Dendritic translation results from localized protein production, coordinates the storage of information along multiple neurons. Motor learning may occur within spinal cord neurons as well as in the brain. Voltage passes through the outer cortical cells as they fire calcium and sodium ions, mapping the electromagnetic connectome landscape of the brain. With 100 trillion synaptic connections in the brain, each of which is either on or off, the synapses were once believed to encode consciousness and memories. Neurons contain microtubules. There are innumerable microtubules contained within human neuronic cells. Each microtubule is composed of 13 spiraling strands. The complex microtubule strands may encode all memories and consciousness rather than the synapses. Microtubules generate electromagnetic fields. Microtubules have light signaling pathways. Quantumly manifested brain waves may coordinate electromagnetic memory processes among multiple neurons. Brain waves travel in one direction to record memories and in the opposite to recall them. The double hemisphere electromagnetic brain generates the aura of a quantum mind. Electromagnetic processes within microtubules may produce quantum effects that entangle with the microtubules of many neurons in a superposition, which generates a non-physical twin mind that extends beyond the brain as a self-aware consciousness that debates its observations and conclusions. Just as gravity may be the manifestation of an electromagnetic quantum universe, the generation of a twin mind and its creations may be the natural manifestation of an electromagnetic quantum brain. A quantum twin mind may expand to the extent it can perceive reality, out to the limits of its observational abilities within an infinite universe of light. Once generated, a quantum twin mind may survive death and may continue to exist as long as it is remembered. After a unique twin mind is quantumly generated, it may entangle with all other self-aware minds who have ever been born throughout eternity, collectively bonding together within an infinitely wise and unconditionally loving cosmic consciousness. An infinity of living mother galaxies in a limitless universe gives birth to an infinity of organic lives and the minds they conceive. Our sun, among her 100 billion sisters in the Milky Way galaxy. Our Milky Way galaxy is but one of an infinite number of mother galaxies living in a limitless universe of light within an eternal dark plasma. An infinity of mother galaxies gives birth to an infinity of warm yellow stars in the unbounded physical universe. An infinity of stars gives birth to an infinity of rare earth and water planets with a large moon, giving tides and rain to irrigate the fertile gardens and light for the night. Infinite planetary gardens grow an infinity of organic, intelligent life with a flowering of minds. A metamorphosis of minds generates powers of observation and the awareness of self and surroundings, which instinctively encourage an exploration of the beckoning universe of light. While humanity heals our instinctive brainstem intolerance, we will be patiently and lovingly observed, without judgment or interference, by the universal cosmic consciousness. Until we achieve the tolerance of all others and we cease making war, our children will never collectively learn how to timelessly fly beyond their earthly nest and to explore the wonderful universe of light that awaits them. Irrespective of race, creed, or culture, we are all mankind on Earth. I regard consciousness as fundamental. I regard matter as a derivative from consciousness. We cannot get behind consciousness. Everything that we talk about, everything that we regard as existing, postulates consciousness. Max Planck. This non-commercial presentation includes dozens of images found on the internet and used with great appreciation, but without proper attribution due to the impossibility of identifying and contacting owners of the original sources. If the owner of any such image objects to its use, please email the author with details and the image will be removed. The author especially thanks Eric J. Lerner in his book, The Big Bang Never Happened, for introducing evidence disproving the standard model of cosmology, and Professor Louis Marmette for his invitation to join a cosmology group, where dissident scientists have the freedom to disagree with settled science and to publish alternative theories refused by mainstream authorities. Dedicated to Christian Birkeland, Edwin Hubble, and Hans Alvin, who discovered the electromagnetic plasma universe and whose work has been mischaracterized and misused by the gravitationists, who defend the false Big Bang cosmology by ignoring and disparaging all challenges. Music by Scott Buckley and Johannes Brahms. To be presented by William John Cox at the Science of Consciousness Conference, Tucson, Arizona, April the 22nd through the 27th, 2024. Greatly appreciated. Abi Montefiore and Stuart Hammeroff at the Center for Consciousness Studies, University of Arizona, Tucson, Arizona, for making this presentation possible.